Hey guys, welcome back. Have you seen these kind of images like all over the internet, and you don't know where they come from? Like, they're pretty cool. They are like optical illusions, which are great. So, um, you want to learn how to do your own optical illusions or hidden messages or subliminal or however you want to call it. So, you can actually do it on Canva. You can like most of things you can do them on Canva. You go to this left sidebar and go to applications, and you're gonna look for secret link or secret ink, and then you have two places to write. This is the message you want to be hidden on the image. So you're going to write here whatever you want. Like love is pretty simple, pretty basic. On Let's try a beach. Let's see what it comes up with. And it's also pretty fast. Like it works fine. And well, this is a little bit. I mean, it technically, yeah, but that's not. Let's try forest. I mean, if you want to do it with plants, then I'm going to show to give you the chance to do it with the forest. So there you go. That's better. That's better. But what about like something like baby in a city? Let's see. Well, that's better. That's an improvement actually. Pretty. It's a weird place for shadows. Well, this is actually pretty good. Like this one right here and this one right here, I can't believe it. When we move to this part of the image, I'm not sure, but you can just experiment with it, check it out, and uh, and try to do your own. Um, Hope you guys find this useful and see you around next time.